Hey guys, Mike Martin here for Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you from our Danchuk facility here in Santa Ana, California. And look at what we have here. Stacks and stacks and stacks and stacks of 55 grill frames. We are in production. Our tooling has been perfected. We finally got it up where we want it. And here's just some of the outer frames. The other pieces are already being done. And for those of you guys who have been waiting on back order, here's the machine, the beast that does this. So this is where all the magic happens. So we are in production. We're going to get ready to get these together, get them over to the plater, start assembling them. So if you've been waiting on this, the wait is almost over. So hopefully we can have these ready for you. Just hang in there, guys. It's happening. We're in production, and this is just the first batch, so we've got to order some more material and get the next batch done and get those over to the plater. We're going to have some samples of these, some finished samples at the Danchuk Trifive Nationals, and as well as hopefully we'll have one ready for Hot August Nights. So if you go out and see Roscoe and Mike Nibb at Hot August Nights, you should hopefully have one of the samples there, and we will have one of these at the Danchuk Trifive Nationals in Bowling Green, Kentucky. We're really excited. This has been a lot of work. All new tooling being made. This thing is incredible. For those of you who are on the California Dreamin' Tour, I showed you an engineering sample of this thing, and it impressed you then. This has been a long-awaited part. We apologize for that, but as you can see, the complexity of making this part is really going to pay off. Just kind of look down inside there. There's all the details. We've worked with originals. These are better than the originals that we've had. There's not the stretch marks or scrapes like you typically see. Just very crisp, very nice. So stay tuned. We're going to start shipping these hopefully soon. I can't really give you any dates because, you know, there's still stuff that can be hung up. But guys, those who have them on order, they're on their way. So for those who ever doubted we make stuff, there's the machine, and inside there I can't really get close to it for safety reasons, but there's the tool and actually a part that was being stamped. So, you know, the wait is coming to an end. So stay tuned. We'll have some more updates on this, or just stay tuned to Danchuk before you check us all out. For the latest news at what's going on at Danchuk. This is Mike Martin again from Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you live from our manufacturing facility in Santa Ana, California.